Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Canal Street is one of New Orleans' most famous and historic roadways, stretching from the Mississippi River in the heart of the city toward the edge of the French Quarter and beyond. Today, it serves as a major commercial and transportation corridor, but its story goes back to the early days of the city's growth. The name Canal Street comes from a plan that dates back to the early 19th century. At that time, city leaders wanted to create a canal to drain the swamps and marshes that once covered this area and to improve access to the river. While the canal itself was never built, the street was laid out along the proposed route, and it became one of the widest and most important streets in the city. In the late 19th century, Canal Street emerged as a central shopping and entertainment district. It became known for its grand department stores, theaters, and hotels. Many of the buildings from that era featured elaborate architecture and detailed facades, reflecting New Orleans' prosperity as a major port city. Canal Street also became a key boundary in the city's layout. It marks the edge of the French Quarter, separating the historic colonial core from the more modern downtown area. That division shaped the development of both sides of the street, with the French Quarter preserving its narrow streets and historic buildings, while Canal Street grew into a broader, more modern avenue. During the 20th century, Canal Street remained a central hub for commerce and transit. It became home to major streetcar lines and bus routes, connecting neighborhoods across the city. The street also played a role in New Orleans' cultural life, hosting parades and celebrations during Mardi Gras when floats and crowds moved through the downtown area. Like the rest of the city, Canal Street was affected by Hurricane Katrina in 2005. While parts of the street were damaged and businesses were temporarily closed, the area also became a focal point for recovery and rebuilding. In the years that followed, Canal Street continued to evolve with renovations, new development, and ongoing efforts to preserve its historic character. Today, a drive along Canal Street shows a mix of old and new historic buildings, modern shops, streetcars, and the steady movement of daily city life. It is a street that has shaped the way New Orleans grew, and it remains a key part of the city's identity. Whether you're watching for the architecture, the history, or the energy of the city, Canal Street offers a unique view of New Orleans' past and present. Thanks for watching!